Welcome back. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to get into Tesla and NVIDIA. Tesla and NVIDIA. Right here, we have Tesla on the daily time frame. Tesla right now trading at $416, as you can see. So we had a strong daily candle today. Strong. I was trading it this morning. It made a nice run up. It was great. I'll show you the run up real quick. Here we are. This is Tesla on a 2-minute time frame. I got in at $406.80, and then I just rode it up. It was very, very nice. It was a nice trade. It stayed in for a long time, so this was great until we got up here. We just started chopping around. So then I came out of the trade up around here. So I made a good percentage on that. So Tesla is still moving, like always. Look over here. Technically, strong buy. Okay, on the right side of the screen. I don't know if you saw her right here. Boom, strong buy. So let's go back to the daily time frame for everybody. Here on the daily time frame, I wanted to show you that, okay, so we're trading here $416, but after we break through this area right here, 440, okay, go to 420, 440, we should have a 17% gain that you can make if you hold it all the way back up here to this $488 mark, the former high up here. Okay, so I wanted to show you that because we're resting. We just bounced nicely on this purple line, the 50-day moving average. So that's something that I see. I bought some for a swing position. So I'm up nicely on a swing position, and then I day traded it today, right? Okay, so this is Tesla on the chart right there. And another reason why I'm saying let's go back up to this 488. See how this goes down here? Boom, boom. Okay. This is one bottom. This area right here would be another bottom. I'm going to show you a pattern that you may not know about. Okay, brought to us by Investopedia, double bottom. So when the stock is up here, it bounces. It goes down here, comes up, goes down again, but then it usually returns where it was at prior. We call it a double bottom. So let's look at what I'm trying to say here is that we were up here, right? Come down, come up, come down. So this would be the second low, and then we would come back up, okay, like where we were before. So it looks like a double bottom is forming there. So just to show you that, this is what I'm seeing. Okay, so we always have to predict, like, what's the next candle's going to look like? If the market stays the way it is and everything like that, I can see that playing out. Now let's go to NVIDIA and the news. Here's NVIDIA. NVIDIA on the weekly time frame. Okay, so NVIDIA trading at $125.60. Now, this is the thing. There's news with NVIDIA brought to us by Benzinga. Look right here. Do you see this? Trump to meet with NVIDIA CEO at the White House. Okay? That's news from this morning. Okay, 8:41 a.m. That's exciting. Okay, so Trump is going to meet with NVIDIA CEO. Now, I don't think this is going to be bad, right? I doubt if this is going to be bad. This is going to be some good news coming out probably, like what's he going to do against NVIDIA, right? So it's probably going to be good. So I said to myself, I said, well, let's get a little bit of NVIDIA, knowing this is going to happen. Let's give it time. And also, NVIDIA, look over here, the right side of the screen, earnings reports is 26 days coming up, give or take. I don't know if that number is exactly right, but earnings is coming up. We're in earnings season, okay? So Trump is meeting with them. We have earnings coming up. Okay. So now, if you're in right now, and then you hold it up to the past highs, then we have a percentage of 22. Okay, let me change the color on there. Green. Boop. 22% that you can make. Okay. NVIDIA's chart doesn't look as clean as Tesla, but anyway, we hit down here on this 50-day moving average, and we bounce. See a little, let me move this over for you. Let me move this over. There you go. We came down here to the 50-day moving average, this candle, and we bounced and we came up. So we're holding above. So with this news and everything, hopefully this will give us enough momentum to break through this resistance. This looks like a little resistance here, okay, at this level. So $129.68. So we just have to break through and then keep going. But I wanted to bring you the news. Number one is that Trump is meeting with NVIDIA CEO at the White House. All right. So let's see what happens. That's brought to us by Benzinga. If you like content about stocks and everything like that, click like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow because we need some likes on this video, okay? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Peace. Stay green, okay? That's a promise you have to make to me. Stay green. Alrighty. See you in the next video. Bye.